It's the second lightest element in the universe. It makes your voice squeaky, and without it, the stars wouldn't shine. I'm talking about helium. But have you ever looked closely at a helium atom? Today, we're breaking down the complete anatomy of element number 2, from its quantum clouds to its cosmic origin story. At its core, the helium atom is elegantly simple. In the center, you have the nucleus, which typically contains two protons and two neutrons. This specific version is known as helium-4, which is the most stable and common isotope found in nature. Orbiting this nucleus are two electrons. Because these two electrons completely fill the first electron shell, helium is categorized as a noble gas. In chemistry, a full outer shell means stability. This is why helium is inert. It doesn't like to react, share, or bond with other atoms. It is the ultimate lone wolf of the periodic table. Helium has one of the most unique discovery stories in science because it was found on the Sun before it was ever found on Earth. During a solar eclipse in 1868, astronomers Pierre Janssen and Norman Lockyer noticed a strange yellow line in the Sun's light spectrum that didn't match any known element. They named it after the Greek word for sun, helios. It took another 27 years before scientists finally managed to isolate it here on our own planet. Helium is a rebel among elements. It has the lowest boiling point of any substance at minus 268.9 degrees Celsius. If you cool it down even further, it becomes what scientists call a superfluid. In this state, it flows with zero friction and can actually crawl up the sides of a glass container and leak out of the top. Another fascinating fact is that helium is the only element that cannot be solidified by sufficient cooling at normal atmospheric pressure. You would have to apply massive amounts of pressure just to turn it into a solid. Even though helium is the second most abundant element in the entire universe, it is actually quite rare on Earth. Because it is so light, Earth's gravity is not strong enough to hold onto it. Once helium gas is released into the atmosphere, it eventually floats away and leaks into outer space. This is why the helium we use in marine machines and technology is mostly harvested from underground natural gas deposits, and once those are gone, they're gone for good. Beyond party balloons, helium is essential for modern life. It is used to cool superconducting magnets in medical MRI scanners and to pressurize fuel tanks in space rockets. On a cosmic scale, most of the helium in existence was created in the first few minutes after the Big Bang. Today, the stars in our sky continue to produce helium through the process of nuclear fusion, which provides the light and heat that makes life possible. From the center of our sun to the technology in our hospitals, the helium atom is a small particle with a massive impact. It represents the perfect balance of simplicity.